Theophobia. The Bible says that man should have a healthy fear of the Lord for betterment of life. However, an unhealthy, persistent, or irrational fear of God is a specific phobia that can cause great deal of distress to the sufferer and his loved ones. Fear of the Lord phobia is known by several names: fear of God, fear of religion. The word theophobia originates from Greek words theology and phobos, former meaning God or religion and latter meaning extreme fear of dread. This is an anxiety condition that can greatly impact the quality of life of the sufferer, lost opportunities, poor grades, or performance at work, lack of promotion, degrading health can all result from this phobia. Contrary to popular belief, there is no link between atheism and theophobia. Atheism is disbelief in God, whereas a theophobic actually believes God to an extent that he fears him deeply. It is abnormal fear of the wrath of God or God's punishment for sin.